If you can't spot the risk when driving here, then honestly, the rest of the story already writes itself. Now, even though this particular crash involved a front-wheel drive car, that detail doesn't really change the bigger picture. Whether you're in a front-wheel drive or a four-wheel drive vehicle, you're dealing with the exact same road conditions, the same visibility limits, and the same reaction time. In environments like this, the margin for error is thin, so the likelihood of an accident is high across the board. Let's rewind for a second and really break down what went wrong. As we roll the footage back, you can clearly see multiple vehicles approaching the tunnel entrance at the same time. Traffic is flowing, but it's compressed. Everyone is funneling into a tighter, darker space. And on the right side, there's a large truck moving in alongside the other vehicles. Now here's where a major driving rule comes into play, something that's heavily emphasized in U.S. driving safety. Never enter a tunnel next to or directly behind a large truck. Why? Because the moment you approach a tunnel, your visibility drops dramatically. From the outside, you can't fully see what's happening inside. Your eyes need time to adjust to the lighting difference, and during that transition, you're essentially driving partially blind. Add a large truck into that situation, and it gets even worse. That truck blocks your line of sight, limits your escape options, and increases your stopping distance. So if there's a stalled vehicle, a sudden slowdown, or worse, a crash right at or just inside the tunnel entrance, you won't see it in time to react. And that's exactly how situations like this escalate. It's not just about speed or control, it's about visibility, timing, and positioning. One bad decision at the entrance and everything stacks up in seconds.